Hey friends, it's Dustin from the Ugly Bug Fly Shop and Crazy Rainbow Fly Fishing. Excited to share with you all another product review. Before we dive in, I've got to let you know this is a product that I use personally with my client setups as a guide, but it is one with a brand new twist. It is the Ross San Miguel reel. Ross has made an update to their iconic reel by introducing the San Miguel in a beautiful silver. And even though the appearance has been updated, the elements that made the San Miguel a premier standard still exist. In addition to the new silver finish, the San Miguel features a carbon and stainless steel stack up within the drag system. What does this mean? Well, it means that the San Miguel produces an incredibly strong and yet smooth resistance. Furthermore, it offers that iconic sound when you have a fish taking line. But beyond the appearance and precision machining that make this such a premier reel, there are two features that I personally love in regards to how this reel retrieves line. The first is the large arbor of the San Miguel that Ross describes as having a liquid feel. Now, what does this mean? If you've had a fish on and had to strip a lot of line in, or you have a lot of slack line hanging, this reel takes just a few bats of the hand to retrieve all of that line. Secondly, Ross has introduced into this iconic classic the canvas micarta handle here. What this is a material that when wet provides extra grip. So we're not looking around trying to find the reel or risk having our hands slip off of it when playing a fish. So who is this reel for? Well, as I said, I use this personally, and I think it should be in every serious angler's arsenal. And so if you're looking for an iconic reel that sounds amazing, looks amazing, and performs amazing, please give us a call here at The Ugly Bug, and we'd be happy to get you set up with one. As always, this is Dustin. Thanks so much, and tight lines.